My hobby is Lord of the Rings strategy battle game, and it's a board game where you have miniatures of the characters of Lord of the Rings, and you can recreate the battles from the movie and the book, of course, but you also need to paint them. The painting process starts with the base color, of course, and then you can stylize your own miniatures however you want. Mostly I style my miniatures as correctly as the book describes them. The time I work on one miniature really depends on how good of quality I want. I can spend like a few hours on a whole army, or I can spend like 18 hours to 20 hours on one hero. It's all about the quality you want to achieve.
What is your favorite army then?
At first I started with the High Elves because I really like elves, but now I'm shifting more to the Easterlings because there's something evil about them. The battle aspect of the game really depends on the profiles for the characters. Each character has its own profile. You have the strength, you have the defense, you have will, might, you have all these aspects, and you can use these aspects to battle each other. You use dice and you use a measurement tool to set your distance you can move. And with all this, you can really play out a battle from the movie or the book in close detail.